day begins like so many others, with a roar of a diesel and a rattle gun's thunder. There's iron to hang, but foreman screams, and he looks and he smiles at my partner and me. So we climb the first column for our morning stretch. It's 50 feet to the top, and on a cliff we rest. I signal the rig, and the first piece comes in. My partner reaches out, and I'm pig-holed again. First one of the chokers, just a little game that we play. We're running the top flange because we like it that way. Up on the iron, we know where we stand. We got to put each other's lives in the palms of our hands. Now there's 100 pieces up, and our day is to a close, and we're just two ironworker men, and we're the best of bros.
There you go.